This pole barn measures 60 by 200. It's had a few fires in the middle section behind me there. It's been used for a couple different things over the years, but severely neglected, and it needs to come down. So we've got a start on it. We're getting the inside cleaned out. People were dumping garbage in here. There's all this black dirt. Apparently is some type of human waste mixed with, I don't know, it's a fertilizer or something. So we're just kind of cleaning that out. We envision repurposing the wood walls that you see around the bottom of the building, and hopefully repurposing some of the steel if we can get some off in straight pieces. So tear down, and the plan is a complete rebuild into a wedding venue. This is my bridal suite. You gotta have quite the vision. Someday, this will have a new overhead door on it, maybe a little bar area, kind of a cool, maybe a groom hangout, not sure, but you're just chilling in there, looking out, you got this beautiful view. This is what I call the bridal suite. Whether it'll actually turn into that or not, I don't know. Again, got to have a little bit of a vision here. People have really wrecked it over the years, but pretty cool, isn't it? There's a couple rumors. Somebody said, well, they had a meth lab in there and it blew up. Somebody else said, no, it wasn't a meth lab. Somebody must have got dynamite for Christmas and wanted to try it out. So anyway, this huge debris pile was a building at some point in time that went boom. So now we get to clean it all up.